Well, welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to sunny Guernsey. That's my bit of a joke there. Sunny Guernsey. It's pouring down. If you're new to this channel, it's all about what it's like living on the island of Guernsey. All the sunny weather I keep going on about. All the beautiful things. So I thought I'd show the other side of it today, which is a pretty windy and rainy day. Having said that, it's not actually that cold. I hope there's not too wind noise. I'm down the beach again. Just having a look around. It's actually nice to be walking in the rain. Obviously I've got my brolly here and I'm walking my dog, which has gone over there somewhere. And remember, if you like the stuff and you're interested to know what it's like living on an island, which is in the Channel Islands, Guernsey, you may have heard as Jersey as well. Jersey's our neighbour island. We're slightly smaller Guernsey, about 25 square miles and about 12 miles long. And it's a very unique way of life here. It's beautiful. I'll just show you behind me here. Look, we're down the beach again, and this is pretty typical all around the island. No matter where you go, you come to a beach. Drive for about 20 minutes or half an hour, come to a beach. I'm going to do some lovely shots around here. Slightly different in the rain today. I hope we're all doing well. I'll catch up with you in a sec. So here we are, I'm in the shelter, which is where they do the clay pigeon shooting. I think the rain's starting to stop. You can see behind me there, it's coming down a bit still. It's brightening up. I reckon there'll be a rainbow soon. So this is north end of the island, which is like Landcrest Way, Vale. Not many people around at the moment because the weather's so awful. But as I say, I think it's clearing up. So if you're new to this channel, remember, subscribe if you want to know like what it's like to live on the island, because there's loads of videos and I'll leave a link up there about driving around the island, and I do drive abouts, and I do wherever I go. There's a beautiful beaches, some lovely scenery. As I say, it's very different here. The speed limit's only 35 miles an hour, so it is a different way of life, and it is really interesting. I love it here. So think about subscribing, because there is some great stuff coming up. I'm doing some loads of footage, different places coming up soon. Look, my dog behind me. You'll see my dog Lily, which is, oh, and someone asked in the last video actually, how old is she? She's about 4, I think. Where's she gone? She's there, look, she loves it. She doesn't care about getting wet, look. She's about 4, I think she's 4. She's a Cavapoo. So King Charles Cavalier and a poodle. Yeah, but she loves it in the rain, look. She chases rabbits. There's rabbits around here, and there was a rat over there before, and the other day, and it was jumping up and down. The rat was jumping really high, squealing, I couldn't believe. But she chases rabbits as well, and she keeps dropping the tennis balls that I throw for her down rabbit holes. She does it all the time. It's really annoying. I'm going through so many tennis balls. Anyway, let's keep going.